Hey everyone, I have a mystery jewellery bag from Facebook Marketplace here. I did see what it was, but I can't remember because it was a while ago. It was $20, so that's actually really reasonable. And if I look a bit hot and sweaty, I am hot and sweaty. It's really warm in Melbourne. But let's get into it. So anything that you're interested in, you can message me, take a screenshot, message me on Instagram, which is in my bio. Otherwise, anything that I don't keep will be on Depop. Okay, so this lady has wrapped everything in Glad wrap. So I have a pair of scissors. So I'm just going to cut into it. So the first, wow, this is really well wrapped. The first thing I see is hairy. Is a little silver bracelet. I don't know whether it's sterling. Yes, it is. It says 925 on it. So that's sterling silver. That's actually really cute. Probably a bit small for me, but I'll clean that up and list that unless anybody wants it. Then next is earrings. So I'm just going to hack into this because, oh, okay. Sorry, I should have done this beforehand. It is a large pair of gold hoops. Hang on, give me a second. All right, so I've got a couple of things unwrapped. So a little bit tarnished, but they're not too bad. I'll probably clean up. I wouldn't wear them because I'm just too, I mean, I probably could, but I won't. I will keep them if somebody wants them. Then there are these earrings. So I think that goes all the way through your ear and comes out the other side. I wouldn't wear those, but they're quite nice. These are cute. I actually don't mind these at all. They're kind of like a metallic bronzy sort of chain, I suppose, or like an antique gold hoops, stretchy hoops. I actually really like those. I might keep them. Then we have a pair of, oh, they're tangled. Oh, there you go. Wee, little gold swingy, stop swinging. Ugh, gold ones, cute. I probably wouldn't wear them, but I like those. Then we have a pair of really colourful ones. These are sweet. If I can get that to focus, there you go. So it's got a little, there's a little flower, but it's got like a little diamante stone on it, and then lots of colourful beads. Cute, but not for me. Okay, so just while I'm cooling down, people are asking me where I'm getting my bags from. You can swap with people on here. There's jewellery swaps going on. There's Depop, which is where a lot of people are listing their stuff. Australia, I would go to Facebook Marketplace in your area and have a good look. I've got a lot of nice stuff from Facebook Marketplace. eBay is good. If you can afford the shipping for an international bag, I would go for it. I've got one on its way. And I've already got one, both from the same seller. The first box is mainly earrings and they're really cool. Just the overseas countries have got a bit more history than Australia. There's many, many more people in like England and America. So there's lots more stuff being swapped and changed and people sending it to thrift shops, etc. If you want links to anyone that I know, let me know. Right, now, earrings. These I'm going to keep because I like them. They are little black crystal balls surrounded by 4 hearts, so they're kind of like in a cage, and there's a little diamante stone on the gold chain. I really like them. I think they're lovely. Then we have these, if I can get my fingers around them, gold leaves. I like those. I think they're really nice. I would wear the gold ones. There is also a pair of exactly the same earrings. I'm just going to show you one in silver. I wouldn't wear them because I don't wear silver. These are cute, but I wouldn't wear them. They are, if I can get them up, big florally sort of gold discs. Not massive, but I mean, look, they're cute, but not for me. These are cute, again, not for me. I'm too old to wear things like that. But they're cute little colourful hoops with a bunch of different beads on. There's 2 earrings there. I can't see which bit's caught, but they're 2 chandelier earrings, gold with little pearly detail, gold tone little faux pearls. I will get them untangled, but not now. Okay, so next up there is a little choker with black beads and a little cross. That's cute, but not for me. There are some tassel-y earrings. These come up a lot. I don't actually remember these ever being in fashion, but I must have missed that. But not for me, but cute. Then we have, what are they? They are ear cuffs. So they go, I don't know, somewhere on your ears. Cute, but not for me. 2 little tiny, right, I'll just hold one up because, so it's a little pearl. Hang on, I can't get that to focus. There you go. A little pearl with some diamante stones in a flower. Both of them have all their stones. I wouldn't wear them, but they're cute. What is this? This is another, oh, okay. There's only one of these. So this is another ear cuff. So that bit goes through your ear, and then the rest of it goes up somewhere else. Not for me. Sorry, that's swinging around like crazy. Okay, fighting with Glad Wrap for 10 minutes to get all of this stuff out. Another pair of exactly the same earrings as before that were tangled. These are slightly lopsided, but that's how it should be. This one's a bit buckled, so I've got to sort that out. They are actually really cute, but I wouldn't wear them because I just feel like I'm too old. This is from Lavisa, so it's just a silver tone chain with a glittery something or other on it. I don't know what that is. Rabbit, dog, not mine, not for me, too old. These are cute. I might keep these. I quite like those. They are silver hoops with some black, clear and pearl toned beads on. They're really cute. So I'll put them in the keep pile. A little tiny bracelet. Again, this is probably Lavisa. So it's a black and silver. They're little discs on a silver chain. That's cute, but I don't think it'll fit me. Then we have another Lavisa chain. This one has the Eiffel Tower with a little pink heart. Not for me, so I'm going to pop that in the pile. 2 more things for this video, and then I'm going to do another part. This is, what on earth are they? They are different coloured, I think it's rabbits. I don't know, some kind of animal with different coloured stones in on a little bracelet. And then the final thing for this video are a pair of white, reasonably large hoops. Catch me for part 2. Okay, bye.